Happy New Year, fellow Realtors. I'm honored for the privilege to serve the members of our great association, and I look forward to an exciting year in real estate. Please make plans now to join us on January 12th for the inaugural celebration, where we will have NC President Lee Brown install our new board of directors. We have none other than Adam Andrews preparing delicious food, and we have a Lexington legend, Ken Davis, performing live music for us. The event will kick off our year of unity, innovation, and education. Speaking of unity, now is a good time as committees are beginning again. Many of you have not had the opportunity to serve on a committee over the last 3 years, and I'm really looking forward to the innovation that you're going to bring to the table. And finally, a word about education. As you may know, January is Radon Action Month. Radon is the second leading cause of lung cancer, second to smoking. Testing is the only way to determine if a home is safe. So spread the word about radon and raise awareness, and we'll look forward to seeing you on the 12th. Thank you.